In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare CDN to speed up any website. If you've been looking for ways to improve your website's performance, reduce load times, and ensure a smoother experience for your visitors, this guide is for you. Cloudflare CDN, or Content Delivery Network, is a powerful tool that does just that, helping your site load faster while also improving security and reliability. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll need to head over to cloudflare.com and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, you can create an account quickly on their site. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. From here, select the domain you want to optimize. This is the website you're working to improve with Cloudflare's features. Now, let's start with the DNS section. Once you navigate there, take a moment to confirm that your main website records, these will usually be labeled as ASAA or CNAME, are pointing to your server's IP address. This is important because it ensures that your website traffic is being routed correctly. While you're here, check the proxy status for these records. You'll want to see an orange cloud icon, which means the traffic for those records is being routed through Cloudflare's network. Remember, mail-related records like MX should not be proxied. If you do proxy those, you could run into delivery issues with your emails, so it's best to leave them unproxied. Next, head over to the caching section and click on Configuration here. You'll want to set your caching level to standard. This level strikes a good balance between caching efficiency and ensuring your site's dynamic content still updates properly. While you're in this section, enable the browser cache TTL. This feature helps reduce repeat requests for static assets, like images and scripts from the same visitors, making their experience even faster. Another handy setting here is Always Online. Turn this on to allow Cloudflare to serve cache pages to your visitors, even if your origin server is temporarily down. This can be a lifesaver during server outages. Now, let's look at the speed section under optimization. This is where you can really fine-tune performance. Enable auto-minify for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. This reduces the size of these files by removing unnecessary spaces and comments, which helps them load faster. Another great feature is Brotli compression. Turn this on to reduce file sizes even further and improve transfer speeds. While you're here, enable Rocket Loader. This setting loads JavaScript asynchronously, which means it doesn't block the rest of your page from loading while scripts are being processed. It's a fantastic way to speed things up, but just to be safe, test your key pages for any script conflicts. If you notice issues, you can always disable Rocket Loader selectively for those pages. Moving on to the network section, go ahead and enable HTTP3 with Quick. This is a newer protocol that improves connection times and overall performance, especially for mobile users and visitors with slower networks. Finally, navigate to the Analytics section to review your cache hit ratio under the Traffic and Performance tab. This metric tells you how much of your content is being served directly from Cloudflare's cache rather than your origin server. A higher cache hit ratio means better performance and reduced server load. If your cache hit ratio is lower than expected, you might need to adjust your caching settings or create custom page rules to fine-tune what gets cached and for how long. And that's it. By following these steps, you can leverage Cloudflare's CDN to significantly speed up your website, enhance the user experience, and ensure your site stays reliable even during high traffic or server outages. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.